Flip-style foldable phones continue to gain traction, and Samsung is not slowing down, with the first hints of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 emerging. In July 2024, the Korean tech giant launched its latest flip smartphone flagship, Galaxy Flip 6, which came with laudable improvements such as a 50-megapixel camera, a bump in battery capacity, and the introduction of Galaxy AI. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is the next generation of flip-style folding phones from Samsung, the next evolution of a range that began life in 2020 and proved that not every phone needs to be a slab of glass. It shows there is a market for designs that are not a simple slab of glass, offering a smaller external screen for day-to-day jobs and a larger internal screen for serious smartphone time. So, what is the release date of the next Samsung flip phone? The Galaxy Z Flip 4 was announced at the August 10th in 2022 edition of Galaxy Unpacked alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it was released on August 26, 2022. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 was announced by Samsung Electronics on July 26, 2023, and its unveiling marked the first time that the Galaxy Unpacked event was held in the company's home country of South Korea, and the phone was released on August 11, 2023. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 was announced on July 10, 2024, and it was released on July 24, 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to launch in July 2025. Samsung has been fairly consistent with its flip line launch dates since the series launched 4 years ago. So, with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 released in July 2023 and the Flip 6 in July 2024, we expect Samsung to maintain this pattern for its Flip 7 smartphone. So, expect the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in the middle of July 2025. About the price, the recent price increase in the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which now sells at $1,100, it's reasonable to expect a similar or higher starting price for the upcoming model. We predict that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be priced around $1,200 or more at launch.
Stay tuned to get the latest news and updates about the next Samsung foldable phone. And don't forget to click on the bell otherwise, you may not receive notification when I upload.